KeySIGN Eire is the product for creating your bespoke direction signs in the Republic of Ireland. You can select from the list of official place names and officially approved abbreviations. Arrows, routes and symbols are placed quickly with alignment tools. A sign detail is added for accurate manufacturing information, such as the finished signs area, which can be determined by selecting the road type and speed category. The structure for the finished sign can be designed in the accompanying key post. This flexible design tool will suggest a number of suitable arrangements, from which you can select the one that has the right fit for the location, perhaps to straddle surfaces in the footway. Structural details can be added to the sign face drawing to accompany a comprehensive loading and stability report. Finally, to complete the workflow and to enhance your road scheme design, a 3D sign object can be created using the structural details validated by KeyPost. This will automatically be attached to your civil 3D road corridor surfaces. Viewable in 2D and 3D, the sign object can be used for clash detection and includes BIM data such as an asset ID to help minimize whole life maintenance costs.